Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge AC in a Jeep Liberty. First, prioritize safety by wearing gloves and eye protection. Make sure your vehicle is parked on a level surface with the engine off. Then, locate the low-pressure service port, usually marked with an L, on the AC line under the hood. This port is where you will connect your recharge kit. Now, let's connect the recharge kit. Firmly attach the quick connect fitting of your AC recharge hose to the low-pressure service port. Listen for a click to confirm it's securely in place, preventing any refrigerant from escaping. Once connected, start your vehicle's engine and set the air conditioning to its highest fan speed and coldest temperature. With the engine running and AC on high, it's time to add the refrigerant. Hold the can upright and squeeze the trigger for 5 to 10 seconds at a time. Between bursts, check the pressure gauge on your kit. Continue this process until the gauge reads within the recommended pressure range, typically between 25 and 45 psi, depending on ambient temperature. Once the correct pressure is achieved, carefully disconnect the recharge hose from the low-pressure port. Test your AC by feeling the air coming from the vents. It should be noticeably colder. If your AC still isn't blowing cold air, or if you notice any leaks, it's best to consult a certified mechanic for a thorough inspection and repair. Enjoy your newly cooled ride.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.